Namaste, I'm Dr. Aparna Shukla and I'm going to teach you mastering yoga asana through this series of simple yoga asanas for your daily yoga practice. Today we are going to learn the foundation pose of yoga, which is the base of all standing yoga asanas. So the first asana, the very first asana that your teacher probably teaches you in your first yoga class is Tadasana, and it remains as useful until you practice yoga. So this asana is called Tadasana. Tada in Sanskrit means mountain. Asana is your posture. There are many benefits of practicing this yoga asana because it improves your balance, it brings stability, it brings stillness, and it helps you acquire the quality of the mountain in your body and soul. So let's learn the crux of Tadasana. So to practice Tadasana, you need to either stand with your feet together, or you may practice by bringing your feet hip distance apart. Whatever way you stand, just make sure that you are pressing the heel down and you're pressing the big toe, the base of the big toe down and the base of little toe. So you're literally extending and creating a space between all 10 toes. And you're creating a base with the base of the toes and the heel. So this way, your feet are firmly grounded, and then lift your kneecap, lift your thighs, and make sure that your pelvis is neutral. Pull your belly button in slightly, lift your chest, and relax your shoulders, relax your both arms, and place your both arms by the side of the body. And stand tall and still. Common mistakes. While you are practicing Tadasana, you may lock your knees, you may slouch your shoulders, or you may place more weight on your heel. The only contraindication for practicing Tadasana is for those who have severe imbalance, or if they can't stand properly. You can still practice Tadasana by standing against the wall. So practice Tadasana in your daily yoga practice and it will bring so much benefits. Even you can learn yoga philosophy and bring it to an advanced stage. For advanced practitioners, you should stand in Tadasana and close your eyes. Sthiram Sukham Asanam. Patanjali says the asana should bring stability and pleasantness, the pleasure. So if you enjoyed this, let's continue.